As the calendar turns towards the end of 2025, Ukraine continues to search for new and powerful ways to strengthen its defenses. The nation's military leaders are looking towards the future, planning how to best protect their skies and support their soldiers on the ground. This ongoing effort has led them to explore some of the most advanced military technology available from its international partners. The goal is to build a more modern and capable force, one that can effectively respond to the complex challenges it faces and ensure the country's long-term security. Securing the right equipment is a critical step in this important journey. In this strategic search for advanced hardware, Ukraine has shown a strong interest in two specific American helicopters, the Bell AH-1Z Viper and the Bell UH-1Y Venom. These are not just any helicopters. They represent a significant leap in aviation technology. The Viper is a fearsome attack helicopter, designed to hunt and destroy targets with precision. The Venom, on the other hand, is a versatile utility helicopter, built to transport troops and supplies right where they are needed most. By pursuing these aircraft, Ukraine is signaling its intent to modernize its helicopter fleet with top-tier battle-proven machines that can perform a wide range of essential missions. The process of acquiring such advanced military equipment is a long and careful one. In October 2025, Ukrainian officials took a significant first step by signing letters of intent with the manufacturer, Bell Textron. This action formally shows their serious commitment to buying these helicopters through the United States Foreign Military Sales Program. While this is a crucial milestone, it is important to understand that it is not the final step. The agreement still needs to be approved by the United States government before the deal can be finalized and production can begin, but it marks a hopeful new chapter for Ukraine's air power. This potential acquisition is about more than just getting new aircraft. It is about building a stronger, more resilient defense strategy. These helicopters would work alongside other modern systems, like the recently acquired F-16 fighter jets, to create a more powerful and coordinated military force. They would replace older Soviet-era models, bringing Ukraine's capabilities up to a much higher standard. For the soldiers on the front lines and for the nation as a whole, the arrival of the Viper and Venom would represent a powerful new tool to help protect their homeland and secure their future in a challenging region. The Bell AH-1Z Viper is an attack helicopter built for one primary purpose: to dominate the battlefield from above. It is a highly advanced machine, designed to find and eliminate enemy threats with incredible accuracy and power. Think of it as a flying tank, but much faster and more agile. It is operated by a crew of two, a pilot and a co-pilot who also serves as the gunner, working together in a tandem cockpit. This two-person team can perform a variety of missions, including providing close air support for ground troops, conducting armed reconnaissance, and hunting for enemy armor and air defense systems that pose a threat. When it comes to performance, the Viper is truly impressive. It can fly at a top speed of around 200 knots, which is approximately 230 miles per hour, allowing it to get to a combat zone quickly. Its operational range is over 300 nautical miles, giving it the ability to fly deep into hostile territory, to strike important targets. One of its key features is a sophisticated four-blade composite rotor system, which makes it extremely agile in the air. This allows the pilot to make sharp turns and quick maneuvers to avoid enemy fire, while lining up for an attack, making it a very difficult target to hit. The real strength of the Viper lies in its powerful arsenal of weapons. The helicopter has 6 stations on its wings, where it can carry a formidable mix of munitions. For engaging targets on the ground, it can be armed with up to 16 air-to-ground missiles, such as the famous Hellfire missile. This makes it exceptionally good at destroying tanks, artillery, and fortified positions from a safe distance. For self-defense against other aircraft, it can carry Sidewinder air-to-air missiles, ensuring it can protect itself from aerial threats while it completes its primary mission of supporting the forces below. To use these weapons effectively, the Viper is equipped with a state-of-the-art target sight system. This third-generation sensor allows the crew to find, identify, and track targets from very far away, regardless of the weather or time of day. Whether it is a dark night or a foggy morning, the Viper's crew can see the battlefield clearly and engage threats with pinpoint precision. This advanced targeting capability is what makes the helicopter such a deadly and effective hunter, giving Ukrainian forces a significant advantage by allowing them to see and strike the enemy before they are even seen themselves. While the Viper is the hunter, the UH-1Y Venom is the ultimate support player, a true jack-of-all-trades in the sky. This utility helicopter is designed to be incredibly versatile, capable of performing a vast array of missions that are essential for any modern army. Its main job is to move people and equipment. It can carry a crew of 4 and up to 8 fully equipped soldiers directly into the heart of the action, delivering reinforcements exactly where they are needed. It can also be quickly reconfigured for casualty evacuation, a critical role that involves flying injured soldiers from the battlefield to medical facilities safely and swiftly. The Venom is not only a transport vehicle, it is a mobile command post and logistics workhorse. It can be used for command and control missions, allowing commanders to get a bird's-eye view of the battlefield and direct their forces more effectively. Its ability to carry supplies, ammunition, and other vital equipment makes it indispensable for keeping frontline units provisioned and ready to fight. With a top speed of around 170 knots and a range of over 325 nautical miles, the Venom can cover large distances efficiently, ensuring that support is never too far away from the troops who depend on it. Despite being a utility helicopter, the Venom is far from defenseless. It can be armed with rockets and machine guns, allowing it to provide its own fire support during troop insertions or extractions. This means it can help to suppress enemy positions while landing or taking off, protecting the soldiers it carries. This self-defense capability makes it much more survivable in a contested environment. The helicopter is also fitted with an advanced infrared sensor system that helps the crew detect incoming threats, like missiles, giving them precious time to react and deploy countermeasures to protect the aircraft and everyone on board. The design of the Venom is focused on flexibility and mission success. It features modern multifunction displays in the cockpit that provide the pilots with all the information they need to fly safely and effectively. Furthermore, it can be equipped with specialized kits to enhance its capabilities for specific tasks. For example, a rescue hoist can be fitted for search and rescue operations, and fast ropes can be attached to allow troops to rapidly deploy from the helicopter in areas where it cannot land. This adaptability is what makes the UH-1Y Venom such a valuable asset for any army. One of the most brilliant design features of the Viper and Venom helicopters is their remarkable level of commonality. Approximately 85% of their parts are completely interchangeable. This means that the engines, rotor blades, avionics, and many other critical components are the same for both the attack helicopter and the utility helicopter. This is a massive advantage for any military. It dramatically simplifies logistics, as maintenance crews only need to be trained on one core system, and the military only needs to stock one set of spare parts to service 2 different types of aircraft. This makes everything much easier and more efficient. This shared design has a direct and positive impact on military readiness. With a single supply chain for both helicopters, there is a much higher chance that the necessary spare parts will be available when they are needed. This reduces the amount of time helicopters spend on the ground, waiting for repairs, and increases the time they spend in the air, performing their missions. For Ukraine, this would mean having a more reliable and available helicopter fleet, ensuring that both attack and support missions can be conducted without long delays. It is a smart approach that saves time, money, and most importantly, keeps the aircraft ready for action. Another key advantage for Ukraine is that both the Viper and the Venom are marinized. This means they were originally designed for the U.S. Marine Corps to operate from ships at sea. Their components are specially treated to resist corrosion from salt water, and their structures are built to withstand the harsh conditions of maritime operations. This makes them perfectly suited for missions in and around the Black Sea region. Ukraine could use them to support naval operations, protect its coastline, and project power over the water, giving its forces a robust capability in a strategically vital area where it has faced significant challenges. As of December 2025, Ukraine is in a period of hopeful anticipation. The letters of intent have been signed, which is a clear declaration of their desire to acquire these formidable helicopters. However, the final deal is not yet complete. It is now pending approval from the U.S. government, a necessary step in the foreign military sales process. If the deal goes through, these helicopters could become a true game changer for Ukraine's defense. The combination of the Viper's lethal precision and the Venom's versatile support, all backed by a shared and efficient logistics system, would provide Ukraine with a powerful new edge in defending its sovereignty.